How to create a poll on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will be directed to the home page. Now at the top left, you're going to find the option Your Story. Click on that. With that, your gallery will open up. Now select the background picture for your story. Once you do that, click on the sticker option. Now head over to the option poll. From here, you can easily create the poll. Type your question and customize the yes/no answers. You can also replace them with custom options. At the top, you're going to find that color icon. Clicking on that, you can select the color for your poll. Drag to reposition and resize the poll on your story. Tap Share to Story to post it. Your followers can now vote, and you can check the results anytime by swiping up on your story. So, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily create a poll on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.